Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, I am going to introduce you web developer tools. Every modern browser includes a powerful web developer tools, and the Chrome browser also has dev tools or developer tools. Let us get started with Chrome developer tools. Before I open developer tools, let me first open the final project which we are going to build together in this course. I will go to idanicschool.com/u/solo. This is the website which we are going to build in this course. Now I will show you how you can use web developer tools on a web page. To access the developer tools on a page in Chrome browser, open the Chrome menu at top right of your browser window and select More Tools and then select Developer Tools. Or you can press Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows, or if you are on Mac, you can press Command+Shift+C. It will open Chrome Developer Tools at the bottom of your browser window. This is Chrome Developer Tools. You can also press F12 on any page to open the Chrome Developer Tools. As you can see, I just pressed F12 and it opened the Chrome Developer Tools at the bottom of my browser window. But I prefer to open Chrome Developer Tools by right-clicking on a page element and then choosing Inspect. Let me show you. For example, if I want to inspect this heading, I can right-click on this web element and it will open the Chrome Developer Tools for me. And I can see that this heading is selected. The developer tools provide web developers deep access into the internals of browser and their web application. You can use the Chrome developer tools to efficiently track down the layout issues. You can set the JavaScript breakpoints and you can get insight of a web page for code optimization. Now we have opened this. You can inspect and live edit the HTML and CSS of a web page using Chrome developer tools under the Elements panel. You can navigate through different elements of this web page under the Elements tab. You will notice as I am selecting these elements, I get an on-screen blue highlight and also I get the CSS selector that represents that element along with its current width and height. You can make changes for an element on fly in the Elements panel. For example, I can change the text of this heading. As you can see, I just changed the text of this heading and I can see the live preview of this change inside the browser window. I will undo it by pressing Ctrl+Z. Okay. If you want to increase the font size of this web developer tools, you can do it by pressing Ctrl+. And if you want to decrease the font size, you can do it by pressing Ctrl-. So by this way, you can change the font size for your web developer tools. Okay, I will keep this font size. On the right side of Elements panel, you have Styles pane. You can view and change the CSS rules applied to any selected element in the Styles pane. By default, any changes which are made through web developer tools are lost when you refresh or reload the web page. Under the console window, you can run standard JavaScript statements and console-specific commands while the page is live inside the browser to help you debug the web page. We also have Sources tab, and under this tab, you can look at different resources used for this web page. Like you can see, these are the images used for this web page. These are the CSS resources used for this web page. You can move the web developer tools on the right side of web page like this way. And you can also select Undock to open the web developer tools in a separate window. Like this way. For now, I will keep it on the right side of web page. Okay. Now I will discuss another important feature of Chrome Developer Tools, which is this device toolbar. You can use this device toolbar feature to see your web page on different screen sizes and resolutions. It will show you how good your web page is responsive. It has several options for different screen sizes like Galaxy, Nexus, iPhone and iPad. If you want to check how your website looks on iPhone, you can select iPhone and it will give you the view of your web page on iPhone. You can also use the rotate option. If you want to check the view on iPad, you can select the iPad and it will give you the view of your web page on iPad. It is super easy to build such a responsive website which we are going to build together. I'll make it super easy for you and we will take baby steps to build this amazing creative responsive website, and after building this website you will be proud of yourself to have such amazing skills. This is the view of solo project at iPhone. You can choose to customize the screen sizes. We have edit option and you can see that there are a bunch of options inside this panel, and I can also add my custom device. You just need to give name to this device and after that you have to give the width and height for this device. So this is one of the important feature of Chrome Developer Tools. Okay, in this lecture I just wanted to give you a very basic idea about Chrome Developer Tools, and this is something which we will be using in our development. See you in next lecture. Thanks.